Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display or show product price, include or exclude VAT in WooCommerce cart page using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display product prices with or without value added tax in WooCommerce cart page. So we are in dashboard. Now go to cart page and then you see product. So we added VAT in this product and then you see price. So we are going to display price with VAT or without VAT in WooCommerce cart. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type, select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open. So you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see class pan, my hyphen class VAT. If you want you can add some styling. And then you see exclude VAT, include VAT. So you can customize this text according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see some method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. So we are in WooCommerce cart. And then you see product prices. Now you see $33 exclude VAT, 36.30 include VAT. Now you see both prices and then you see subtotal. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.